Welcome to our tour of London. This is our view across London from 34 floors up at Canary Wharf. Welcome to London Visited, where we share with you the facts, views and tips of the great places in London. So, whether you are visiting, have visited or are local, we'll share the world's best capital city with you. Please like, share and subscribe so you can see our new videos every week. Keep watching till the end for some fantastic views south across the river. This view to the northeast of London features the Olympic Park at Stratford. You can see a building with blue glass looking like a Pringle. This is the Olympic swimming pool, and the red object is the orbit, which we will feature in future videos. We are now looking to the southeast of London, and as we zoom in on the southeast, you can see Greenwich Park. In front of Greenwich Park and adjacent to the Thames is the Cutty Sark, as seen here. The dome-shaped object by the side of it is the tunnel exit from the walkway under the Thames, taking you from Island Gardens to Greenwich Village. The blue tents you can see are structures which are put up to house various events, always worth checking to see what they have on. In October, they house the Oktoberfest. This is the view to the south of London, and coming into focus very shortly is a landmark which you can see from all over London, which is the Mast at Crystal Palace. This is the view to the east of London, and you can quite clearly see in the Thames barrier. If you look to the right of them, you can actually see one of them raised. Looking out further to the east, you can see the Dartford Bridge, which takes the M25 over the River Thames. These are two white structures which you can see standing up, which are supporting the bridge. Believe it or not, this is 15 miles away. From 34 floors up, you can appreciate how wide and how large the Thames actually is. Also, how much greenery London has. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe to make sure that you get our videos each week when we release them.